Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add music to GoDaddy website builder. First, go and log in to your account. Once inside, on the top right, click on your name. Then, go to your product section. Now here, you will see the list of your website. So go to the one where you want to add an audio. Now, on the left panel, go to website. Then, go ahead and click on the Edit Website button. Here, once inside the editor, scroll down to the part where you want to add your audio. Then, go ahead and click on this Add Section button. Now, from the choices, go to Audio and Video. Then, choose Audio. Now here, select the template that you want to have and go and add it to your site. Here, you can only add an audio from SoundCloud. So what you need to do is to go ahead to your SoundCloud account and log in or create an account. Once in, select on the song or the track that you want to add to your website. Then go ahead and click on this share button under it. Now, go to embed. Then in here, you need to copy the code from SoundCloud. So just copy it. Now, go back to GoDaddy. Then, on the right panel, under SoundCloud embed code, delete the code that was in the field. Then go ahead and add the one that you just copied. And that's just basically it. That's how you add an audio in your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.